Quick little video doing Educate.ie sample paper B here, question number 7. So in the space below is a 3D model of a handheld vacuum cleaner. In the space provided, draw a well-proportioned freehand sketch of the elevation of the vacuum cleaner in direction of arrow A. So they want an elevation in this direction, freehand sketch, okay? So the handle part comes down, it loops around. So that's an elevation sketch there. You can color or shade that then. The drawing below shows an incomplete perspective drawing of the vacuum cleaner's body. A 3D graphic is also shown. Complete the perspective, okay? So in these perspective questions, any line that's running back here to the left hand side goes back to VP1. Any line that's running right goes to VP2. And lines straight up remain straight up, okay? So I can finish this over here. So that's after getting that little bit of the object. I have this back corner here. We can finish this forward here. That's the perspective of that completed. Come over here then. The logo of a handheld vacuum cleaner is shown. It is based on a parabola, EFG, quadrilaterals and circles. Redraw the logo given the rectangle ABCD, color or shaded. So ABCD is given to us. Alright. First thing I'm going to do, right, I'm going to set up my box and I'm going to draw in that parabola. Okay, it tells me it's 30 millimeters up from this bottom line here. 30 millimeters up from the bottom line. It's 44 in for the center. That's my center line. And it's 7 each side up here then, so it's 7, 5, 6, 7 there. 7 there. So that's my box drawn there basically, right? So when we're drawing a parabola, draw a line out here at any angle from this corner, any length, any angle, and we do the same down in this bottom corner here. We step off an equal number of parts. I'm going to step off 3 parts. 1, 2, 3, and the same up here in this corner. 1, 2, 3. This bottom corner gets lined up with the center line. And we use sliding set squares. And it's the exact same up here at the side. So this bottom one, bottom corner, and then we use sliding set squares. The lines along the bottom go straight up. And the lines on the side go up to our vertex, up to F in this case, up to the vertex. We match the corresponding points. That's one side of it drawn. And all we have to do then is bring across our points and get our distances from the center to the point and mirror it across then. Remember, this just speeds it up a little bit. Rather than having to redraw all of what we're after drawing on the left hand side, on the right side, we can just go like that. And that's my parabola drawn. Okay? Second bit here then, just going to darken in this here. Straight down. Straight down. The radius 10 is touching here, so I can set 10 on my compass. Put the point here, swing it down along that center line. That gives me the radius 10. Now I have to draw this part here and the circle up here. So I'm going to have to join my diagonals. I'm going to join my diagonals. Right? This bit here is easily found, right? So where the diagonals cross here in the center, I go straight across. That's where the diagonal hits this line here, I can go straight up. Same on the opposite side there. So all I've left to draw now is this circle, right? So anywhere from the center to any point with a straight line on that circle is going to be 10 millimeters. So if I draw a line that's parallel to this diagonal, 10 millimeters away, it's going to be running through the center. Same with this one here, and that will give us the center of the circle. So I'm going to measure 10 millimeters in from this diagonal, 10 millimeters in from this diagonal, and I'm going to go parallel to those diagonal lines. Okay? I'm going parallel on this side here first. Then I go parallel to this diagonal. And where they meet there, if I set my compass to 10 millimeters, it should just touch those two diagonals, like so. So that's how we finish that question. You can color or shade that in then as well to get the full marks.